Simple machines are used every day to make many tasks easier. Most people wouldn't even think of their arm or a fork as a lever. The 6 simple machines are the pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, wedge, lever, and screw.
In the 3rd century BC, Greek philosophers started the idea of the simple machine. It was not until 600 AD that scientists named each of the 6 simple machines and developed the concept of mechanical work.
Mechanical advantage is the ratio of the resistance force to the effort force.
A screw is a simple machine because it converts rotational force to linear force. As I rotate, the top of the screw is pushed straight down into the wood.
An inclined plane is a flat supporting surface tilted at an angle, like this ramp. Moving an object up an inclined plane requires less force than lifting it straight up. The only disadvantage is that you must move a farther distance than if you just went straight up.
A lever is a simple machine consisting of a rod that pivots at the fulcrum. This crowbar is an example of a lever because when you pull the nail out of the wood, it amplifies the input force to provide a greater output force.
This axe blade is an example of a wedge because it converts lateral force and movement of the tool into a splitting force and movement of the wood. The farther the wedge goes into the wood, the wider it is, driving the wood farther apart.
This pulley is an example of both a pulley and a wheel and axle. It is used as part of an elevator system. The pulley helps distribute the weight of the load. The wheel and axle allows the pulley to rotate. The axle is the center part. When it turns, it causes the wheel to move, causing the cable to move.
Most machines are a combination of 6 simple machines. The last example of a pulley is a compound machine because it combined a wheel and axle with a pulley.
Mechanical advantage is determined by dividing the resistance force by the effort force. A mechanical advantage greater than 1 makes a task easier to perform. A pulley has a mechanical advantage of exactly 1, but it is helpful because it changes the direction of the rope or cable.
We hope you enjoyed the video and understand more about mechanical advantage.